Okay, Teddy, open your present. What's inside?
It's Warehouse Mouse.
Is it Warehouse Mouse? We'll see.
Tear it open.
Open.
Come on, Teddy.
Open. Open it. Get down.
Teddy's figuring it out. You might have to do it for him.
You want to help, Paul?
You want to help Teddy open his present?
Teddy needs help opening his other present.
Go cake too.
No, no, no.
Go open this present.
Go open the present for Teddy. Go help him. You show him how it's done. Rip it open. There we go. Good job.
What did Teddy get?
Wow, what did Teddy get? Oh, you're so strong. Okay, show Teddy what he got.
Show it to Teddy.
Show it to Teddy.
A cow.
It's a dog. Look, watch.
It's like that button.
No, that's his tail. It's not a button. And he can pull it along and take his doggy for a walk.
Alright, let's put this away and
Okay.
have breakfast.
Okay, go back up and hop up.
Grab a knee, grab a knee.
Did you get a dog?